What does the complete Mississippi Mold Remediation Guide actually cover? If you're a Mississippi homeowner asking that question right now, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, we'll walk through exactly what you need to know, the rules, the warning signs, and the practical steps that protect your home, your health, and your insurance claim. Let's get into it. How much does mold remediation cost in Abbeville, Mississippi? Mississippi ranks among the most mold-prone states in the country. High humidity, frequent flooding, a large stock of older homes, and a humid subtropical climate that gives mold no off-season. This guide answers the 10 most searched mold questions from Mississippi homeowners, renters, and landlords with specific, actionable information, not generic advice that applies everywhere. What are the warning signs of a mold remediation scam in Mississippi? Mold remediation costs in Abbeville, Lafayette County, and across northern Mississippi are generally 10 to 20% lower than national averages, reflecting regional labor costs. But the underlying cost drivers are the same: square footage affected, number of rooms involved, structural damage from moisture, and whether HVAC systems require decontamination. Does homeowners insurance cover mold damage in Mississippi? We provide fully itemized, written estimates at no charge, with no inflated scopes and no pressure. Call now and get a real number before you commit to anything. What happens to mold after flooding in Mississippi? How fast does it grow? No contractor can identify Stachybotrys visually. Species identification requires accredited laboratory analysis. Claims made on site alone are manipulation, designed to trigger panic and a fast signature. Can I stay in my house during mold remediation in Mississippi? This price is only valid today. Legitimate contractors welcome second opinions and comparison bids. Artificial urgency is designed to prevent you from verifying credentials or comparing prices. If you suspect mold in your property, don't wait for it to spread. The longer it sits, the more it costs to fix, and the bigger the risk to your family's health. Call the Mold Remediation Hotline at 332-220-0303. We're available around the clock. The inspection is free, and we'll give you a clear plan tailored to your situation. That's 332-220-0303. Call today.